Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So, I'd like us to start analysis. We'll be starting with the chart on my screen. This is Brent oil. So, I still have my lines drawn as I drew them yesterday. We had a resistance here. We had a resistance. There was this breakout. The price pulled back and touched the same level, same zone somewhere here. So, as it is right now, this should give us an ideal place to look for a buy from. We actually expect the buyers to continue to push price to the upper side, at least up to the line we have at the top, which is this one here. This is line. This is around 114.00. So if the price can come back and touch this line, this should be the best place to get out from. But in the meantime, we are still buyers. We are looking for buy positions at least up to this point here. So that is that chart. The other chart which we'll be looking at, I want us to have a look at Euro USD. This has been a very good downtrend from when the price was somewhere here. We've seen the price continue to the lower side. So the price went down and even broke below very significant support levels. You remember we had a very significant support there, and we mentioned that while the price was below it, that was going to be the best place to look for a sell from. So we are still looking for sell positions as long as the price is held below this point. The current bull candle which you're seeing, this one and this one, we don't expect them to break beyond this level. They just indicate that the price may be pulling back upwards, but we don't expect that the price may likely go beyond these two lines here. My next chart is GBP USD. So with the GBP so far, we have a very good support there. I have another one there. So we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. There is the breakout. If the price can pull back and touch these two lines, then this should give us an ideal place to look for a sell from. So we just want to see what happens when the price pulls back to somewhere in between these two lines. This will give us the best place to look for a sell from. The next instrument is the US dollar Japanese yen. So on this one, we've seen price accelerate intensely to the upper side. We have a very good resistance level here. You remember what I mentioned some few days ago, that while the price does not break and close above this line, this should give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So you can see the price actually ascended and closed above that level, which means now we are in a very good active uptrend. So we are going to keep looking for buy position unless when the price gives us a sell signal, but as it is right now, this is still a very good uptrend. There are no signs for selling, and I don't expect the sellers to come in anytime soon. My next chart, I want us to look at the SP500. With the SP500 so far, nothing much has changed. We still expect the buyers to come in from where we mentioned last week. We are looking for a buy position from around these two lines. If the price gets there, that will give us an ideal place to look for a buy from. We do expect the buyers to push price back upwards, at least up to this resistance level here. So if you're on this chart as you're speaking now, you're supposed to be looking for buy positions, expecting the buyers to push upwards at least up to this point here. My last chart for the day is gold. On gold so far, we're looking for sell positions. If the price gets to this point, this is around 1706.96. This will give us the best place to look for a sell from. We have a level here. So we have a very good resistance. We have a resistance, there is a break below. As long as the price is held between these two lines, That's as long as the price does not break above these two lines, this will remain to be the best place to look for a sell. So on gold, we are looking for sell positions. We are strictly looking for sell orders. You can see that the previous month's candle was actually a pin bar, so we do expect that the sellers may push us downwards at least up to this point here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.